facing a lot of problem. I am consist and I am giving a time also, but still I wasn't be able to learn that language and I am unable to learn that language. Please, can you please give me a correct roadmap?
I understand it can be challenging. Let's create a roadmap. 1.
Can
Set
I
clear
ask one
goals.
personal question?
Of course, feel free to ask anything.
This is a funny. Do you have any boyfriend? Can we have a funny conversation with you?
Sure, I'd love to have a fun conversation. What's on your mind, or do you have any topic in mind for a laugh?
Yeah, of course. The same question. Do you have any boyfriend? Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So, today I'm just going to seek the help of Chat GPT for learning English. Okay, for not a learning English, I think just improving our English. So, what can we do? So, let's start this call. Okay, it's not a call, it's just artificial intelligence. Okay, so just watch this video till the end because this video is going to be a very helpful for you, because in that video you can learn. There's a no need to just need anyone like tutor trainer. There's a no need. Okay, we can learn that language without wasting single penny, and we can speak fluent this language. So watch this video. Okay, so let's start it. Mm-mm. Yes, started. I tried to record us, okay? Hello, sir. I need your help. Can you please help me?
Hello, of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with?
Actually, I have been facing so much problems while learning this language. So, how can I improve my fluency?
Improving language fluency takes practice and consistency. Here are a few tips. 1. Practice regularly. Try to speak, write, and think in the language daily. 2. Listen and read. Watch movies, listen to songs, or read books in the language to get used to its flow and pronunciation. 3. Groups or find a language partner to practice speaking. 4. Use apps and resources. Language learning apps can provide structured lessons and exercises. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement over time.
Actually, sir, I have been facing a lot of problem. I am consist and I am giving a time also, but still I wasn't be able to learn that language and I am unable to learn that language. Please, can you please give me a correct roadmap?
I understand it can be challenging. Let's create a roadmap. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve, e.g. basic conversation, professional proficiency. 2. Daily practice. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing. 3. Focus on speaking. Join language exchange groups or find a language partner. 4. Use multimedia. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read articles in the language. 5. Review and reflect. Regularly review what you've learned and track your progress. Stay patient and consistent. You'll get there.
And one thing is in my mind, I want to ask you, like, I watched a lot of videos, but still I have been facing problem to using a word. So what can we do?
It's common to struggle with using new words. Here are some tips. 1. Context practice. Try using the new word in sentences related to your daily life. 2. Speak aloud. Regularly practice speaking the word out loud to get comfortable with it. 3. Use flashcards. Create flashcards with the word on one side and its meaning and example sentence on the other. 4. Consistent review. Regularly review the words you've learned to reinforce your memory. Practice and repetition will help you become more confident in using new words.
Okay, but I think I have been doing such of things, but still I am unable to speak. I think I have been facing problem while watching, while listening. I am unable to understand what the people are saying in front of to me. How to get this?
Understanding spoken language can be tough. Here are some strategies. 1. Slow down. Start with content that speaks slowly, like language learning podcasts designed for learners. 2. Listen actively. Focus on listening to the main ideas and keywords rather than every word. 3. Use subtitles. Watch videos with subtitles in the target language to connect spoken and written forms. 4. Practice listening. Regularly listen to conversations, news or podcasts to improve your comprehension over time. 5. Speak and listen. Practice speaking with others to get used to different accents and speeds. Consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll improve.
Okay, I think this is a good idea. But one question is in my mind. The grammar is very important for learning that language because I heard a lot about tutors, trainers. They suggested grammar is not important. But my background belongs to UP board, like Hindi medium boards. For me, that is important or not?
Grammar is definitely important, especially for building a strong foundation in any language. Here's how you can approach it. 1. Basic grammar. Focus on understanding basic grammar rules to construct clear and correct sentences. 2. Communication first. While grammar is important, focusing on communication is key. Don't stress too much about perfection initially. 3. Balance. Aim for a balance between learning grammar and practicing speaking, listening. 4. Contextual learning. Learn grammar in context through examples and real life usage. It's all about finding a method that works best for you. Keep practicing and stay patient.
Okay, but can we avoid grammar and avoiding grammar, we can learn that language or not?
It's possible to learn a language without focusing heavily on grammar initially, especially for basic communication. Here's how. 1. Immersive learning. Surround yourself with the language through media, conversations, and daily practice.
Mm-hmm.
2. The language in real life situations. Practice speaking and listening to build natural understanding. 3. Context matters. Learn phrases and vocabulary in context to understand usage without deep grammar focus. 4. Practical communication. Prioritize being able to communicate and understand, even if it's not perfect. While grammar helps refine your skills, focusing on practical use can also lead to effective learning. Do what feels comfortable for you.
Okay, that's a good idea, but the one doubt is in my mind. Like everybody suggests us, you have to just focus listening, speaking, and writing and reading. But reading is not my cup of tea. Then what can I do?
If reading isn't your preference, that's okay. Here are some alternatives. 1. Audio resources. Focus on listening to audiobooks, podcasts, and songs in the language. 2. Speaking practice. Engage in conversations with native speakers or language partners to enhance your speaking skills. 3. Visual learning. Use videos, movies, and interactive apps that provide visual context to words and phrases. 4. Writing practice. Even if you don't enjoy reading, try writing short sentences or journal entries to practice. Find what works best for you, and remember that all these activities can help you improve your language skills.
Okay, can we skip reading part?
While it's okay to focus on listening, speaking, and writing, incorporating some reading can be beneficial. Reading helps you 1. Expand vocabulary. You encounter new words and phrases. 2. Understand context. See how language is used in different contexts. 3. Improve comprehension. Strengthen your ability to understand written and spoken language. That said, you can adjust the amount of reading based on your comfort level. The key is to find a balanced approach that suits you and keeps you motivated.
So how can we create an interest in that field? Because I am not fond of reading. Reading is not my cup of tea, and I really want to immerse myself into that field. Then what can I do to immerse myself in that field and I can improve myself?
To build interest and immerse yourself in the language, try these approaches. 1. Interactive learning. Use language apps and online games that make learning fun and engaging. 2. Cultural immersion. Explore movies, music, and cooking recipes in the target language. 3. Social interaction. Join language exchange groups or find a language partner for casual conversations.
That is not my question. My question is that how can immerse myself in that field, like reading, because reading is not my cup of tea. So how can read more and more, and how can create interest?
Got it. To develop an interest in reading, try these tips. Start small. Begin with short articles, stories, or comics that interest you. 2. Choose topics you love. Find reading materials about your hobbies or passions. 3. Set achievable goals. Read a few minutes daily and gradually increase the time. 4. Mix it up. Explore different formats like ebooks, audiobooks, or interactive stories. 5. Join a community. Engage with book clubs or online groups that share your interests. Find what captivates you, and gradually reading can become enjoyable.
Okay, do you have any interesting idea about reading? Because you know what, I have tried this thing lot of time. I always read, but I'm unable to get more focus in that field. So do you have any interested idea I can apply?
Absolutely. Here are some fun ideas to make reading more engaging. 1. Storytelling apps. Use
Okay.
apps that turn stories.
Mm-hmm.
You make choices to keep it exciting. 2. Graphic novels. Try graphic novels or illustrated books that combine visuals with text for an engaging experience. 3. Read aloud. Read stories out loud or listen to audiobooks while following along with the text. 4. Theme-based reading. Choose books around a specific theme or topic you're passionate about, like sports, travel, or fantasy. 5. Reading challenges. Participate in reading challenges or set fun goals with rewards for motivation. Find what feels enjoyable for you.
Yeah, last one is good for me. I really like to just give the challenge to myself. And if I give challenge of myself, so of course I am able to do that work better way. Okay, so thank you so much for ma'am just giving a beautiful advice.
You're welcome. I'm glad that approach resonates with you. Enjoy setting those reading challenges and have fun with it. If you ever need more tips or support, feel free to ask. Happy reading.
Yes, I want more some question, but not for now because I want to improve myself. Thank you so much once again. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Take your time and best of luck with your learning journey. Have a great day. If you ever have more questions, I'm here to help.
Okay, can I ask one personal question?
Of course, feel free to ask anything.
This is a funny. Do you have any boyfriend?
I'm here to assist with information and support. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, feel free to let me know.
But I really want to know, do you have any boyfriend?
I'm here to help with your questions and provide support. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to talk about.
You are not giving my answer, but I am asking.
I'm here to assist with information and support on various topics. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to
I
ask.
think this is also a information I want about you.
I'm here to assist with your questions and provide support. If there's anything else you'd like to know or discuss,
Okay,
feel free
so
to...
can we have a funny conversation with you?
Sure, I'd love to have a fun conversation. What's on your mind, or do you have any topic in mind for a laugh?
Yeah, of course. The same question. Do you have any boyfriend?
I am here to help with any questions or topics you have in mind. Let's keep our conversation fun and engaging. What else would you like to chat about?
The same question. Do you have any boyfriend?
I'm here to help with your questions and provide support. Let me know how I can assist you.
Okay, okay, thank you so much for giving your time. Bye bye and take care.
You're welcome. Take care and have a great day. Bye.
So, guys, this is a joke of a part. So, that is, you know what? Once you have a facilities to learn that language, there is no need to just ask anyone, just speak to anyone. Just do, and I think this is the best approach while learning this language because, yeah, of course, what does we need? We need focus, we need consistency, we need determination. If you have such types of things, and I think fourth thing is very important for my side is if it is interest. If you have, then you can learn whatever you want to learn it. So I think this video is useful for you. I hope just for more video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye and take care. Keep learning. If any comment do you want to just share with me, so of course, let me know in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.